you don't have that.
What is it? What is it?
My Glam Pet Barbie.
Oh. Oh, I guess that can go with all the other Barbie stuff.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna send this to Mark and Kim, so you can tell them.
This is gonna be the mom.
Okay.
Oh.
Do you want me to open it?
Hey, Lizzie, I'm gonna send this to him so you can say thank you on here.
Look at her fur boots.
Yeah.
Lizard.
Okay, let me open Josh's.
No, wait.
Hey.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Now open Josh's.
Okay.
We can put in this code on the Barbie.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and you win something.
Fine. Lizzie will love that.
This is gonna be close for him.
You think?
Yeah. So heavy. Yep, I knew it.
Open it up.
How do you know? Just because it's in that kind of a box doesn't mean anything. Let me help you. Didn't rush the box. Let me help you.
So cute.
Aww.
We can put his picture frame in there.
Yeah.
Put his picture in there, you mean?
Look it.
Cute. I think that goes under here.
Maybe this one can.
Oh, love these little jammies.
These are cute.
Holy cow. Lots of clothes, huh?
Yeah. That's all.
Cute.
Alright.
Okay, you're open.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Oh, yeah.
Well, Joshy says, thank you.